Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Centrum Multivitamins. First, identify the specific Centrum product you are using, as formulations vary for age and gender. Always review the label for precise dosage and timing recommendations. Generally, it's best to take your multivitamin with a meal to improve nutrient absorption and minimize potential stomach upset. Consistency is key for optimal benefits. For most Centrum multivitamin products, the recommended dosage is 1 tablet per day. To establish a routine and ensure you don't miss a dose, try to take it at the same time every day. Many people find taking it with breakfast or dinner works best. Remember, these are general guidelines. Always consult your doctor or a pharmacist if you have specific health concerns or are taking other medications. Proper storage is crucial to maintain the potency of your Centrum multivitamins. Keep them in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture. Always ensure they are stored safely out of the reach of children to prevent accidental ingestion. It is very important not to exceed the recommended daily dosage, as excessive intake of certain vitamins can be harmful to your health. To truly maximize the benefits of your Centrum multivitamin, integrate it into a holistic approach to wellness. This means pairing it with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, alongside regular physical activity. Staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day also supports overall health and nutrient utilization. For more great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.